Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi 4 Turbo, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it would be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used. So now tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. Here we've got basic options, so visited websites, tabs, cookies, cache and other site data. You can change the time range to, for example, last 4 weeks, is totally up to you, and then tap on delete data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options, and here we've got them, so saved passwords, auto-fill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can change the time range to last 4 weeks, up to you, and then tap on delete data. Here we've got this information, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.